guys, this is Nicole from Bouquets by Nicole. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a really quick video um, with a brooch bouquet. I'm making this cute little bouquet here. It's a bridesmaid's bouquet that's a part of a collection. This is the bride's bouquet. Isn't that beautiful? This is for the bride, and then she's going to have 3 of these for her girls. So I'm going to make the 3rd one, so I'll show you guys how I made this beautiful bouquet. All right, so what you will need for this project is a round styrofoam ball. This is 4 inches. I usually use 4.5, but this one is 4. It's what I had, so this is what I'm using. So you'll need your styrofoam ball, your wooden holder, some ribbon to wrap the holder. I have my roses here. I'm using the deluxe roses. This bouquet is going to be white and light blue. I'm going to use 4 of these pretty pearl flower brooches here and some rhinestones, some really cute rhinestones here, and some pearl buttons. Well, they're not buttons, they're pearl flat backs. I find these easier to use than the rounded pearls with the glue and everything. So I'm going to use some of those. And that's it. Like I said, this is a simple bouquet. And it's only going to take me, I would say, about 10 minutes to put this bouquet together. So stay tuned and I'll show you how to do it in a Okay, so now what you want to do is cut a hole in our round ball. You can just use a knife or a pair of scissors like I'm doing here. Just put a small hole. Don't make the hole too big because that hot glue is going to expand the hole. So just make it a small hole. Put your glue in and then just push your wooden holder inside the ball. Push it in a little bit. And trust me, that stick is not going anywhere. Once that glue dries, that's going to be firmly in place. I already have one assembled here to save time. So we're getting ready now to cover our holder with the skinny ribbon. And I usually do this last, but when I'm using the round balls, I cover the holder first because when I put the roses on, I want the roses to go on top of the ribbon on the holder. So what I'm doing right now is just cutting out a small circle to go at the bottom of the wooden holder. That's just going to cover the bottom. And just use a little glue and cover up your bottom. You want to keep your bottom covered. Okay. All right, so we're just gonna cover that up. All right, and then we're going to use the skinny ribbon, which is the 1-inch ribbon, which is included in the kit, to cover our holder. Now, the good thing about the DIY brooch bouquet kits is everything you need to make the bouquet is included in the kit. The styrofoam ball, the stick, the wooden holder, your roses, your brooches, your ribbon, everything you need is included in your kit. So it's like a one-stop shop. I know when I'm working on a project and I have to, get supplies from a craft store, oh, it drives me crazy, guys. I have to go to Michael's, then I have to go to AC Moore, then I have to go to Joann's just to do one project because not one craft store has all of the supplies that, you would need to complete your project. So that's why I came up with the kits. Not only are you saving money by, purchasing the kits, you're also saving a whole lot of time because ain't nobody got time to be running around. No, no, no. So go on over to Bouquets by Nicole and get yourself a DIY kit. Any bouquet that you see on our website, well, not any bouquet, because some of the bouquets you can't do a kit for, but I would say 90% of the bouquets on the website, I can create a kit for you. So just let me know if you want a kit and I'll be happy to do, make one up for you. All right, so now we're going to start putting our roses on. And we start at the bottom. Some people, I've noticed, they start at the top. But I like to start at the bottom for some reason. I don't know. It's just my way of doing it. I like to start from the bottom. So you're just going to go around in a circular pattern and cover up your ball. Your styrofoam ball. Yes. Now, the styrofoam half balls, I know a lot of people email me and say they can't find them locally, but we do have them. You can purchase them individually at our on our website if you like. We have two sizes. We have the 5.5 and we have the 7.8, which is like an 8-inch ball. So one will give you like a 7 to 8 inch bouquet, and the other will give you a large 9 to 10 inch bouquet, which is usually what the brides purchase for themselves, and then they get the smaller one for the bridal party. We do sell the round balls, so if you'd like to purchase this size that I have in this project today, we do have those, and we have the large 6-inch balls as well. So you just want to go around. I love her color combination here. The white with just a hint of color, that blue. It's popping, y'all. It's popping. Yes. And these deluxe roses, you cannot go wrong with them because you don't have to, think about the gaps. Like with the other roses, you have to, push them in place and work with them to get them, seamless so that you won't have a gap. But with these deluxe roses, which are actually more beautiful, I think they're prettier than more beautiful. I think they're prettier than the other roses anyway. So you'll be seeing, these roses more often because it saves me a ton of time and it's just flawless. You can just squeeze the roses together to eliminate any gaps that might happen between your roses. And then too, with your brooches, you can always use your brooches or your other embellishments to close up your gaps. So we're just going to complete, just finish up putting on our roses. And I'm going to speed this video up because you don't need to see me put each and every rose on. So I have my roses on there. I have one of the brooches on. So I'm only using 4 of these flower brooches here. So we'll just put them opposite each other. This is such a cute little bouquet. It's perfect for a junior bridesmaids, or this bride is using it for her bridesmaids. The grown-up bridesmaids. It's up to you, I think it is so cute. When you're going this round, you don't want to use a really large styrofoam ball because then it'll start to look like a basketball with flowers and brooches. So you don't want to go too big, but you could go a little bit bigger with this, like with maybe a 5-inch or a 4.5. They usually come like in 4.5 inches. Oh, I'm missing a flower. That's one. Oh. See, I'm so busy running my mouth. I didn't pay attention. I didn't want it like that, but I can put another flower here. Hold on, let me get that. So now I might have to add another one to those other bouquets since I have 5 on here. I think it looks nice with the 5. Okay. So that's that. And then I'll just go in with my pearls and rhinestones. Like right here. Just put a little bit of glue. And then just put the pearl. I mean, these make such a big difference, right? These little pearls. I love them. I'll probably just go opposite right here. Remember not to use too much glue like I always do. But try to use just as little glue as possible to get them to stick on there. You just go throughout the bouquet. It's no design or anything. Just go through. Mainly go and close up your gaps as well as you can with the pearls. Like if you have any gaps in between the roses, you just go and close them up. One thing I love with these deluxe roses, you don't have too many gaps with these because you can just squeeze them together. So basically this is all, like all of the roses I'm using right now are these deluxe roses. They are so beautiful. I think I'll put another one right here. And I think I will make this one into a kit. So if anybody's looking for a cute little bouquet, you can purchase the bouquet or you can purchase the kit at Bouquet by Nicole. I think that's good. So let's go in with the rhinestones. I might add a few more pearls, but let's just see how we do with the rhinestones. Just go in like between the pearls. This is a quick little bouquet. It's so pretty. I love her colors, the white and the blue. It's pretty. Put one here. And I hope I'm in the camera because one of these days I'm going to figure out how to use a monitor when I'm recording so I can see just where I am with the frames. It's kind of, you know, I just get to making my bouquets and I'm like, let's shoot a video. No planning, nothing. But it's all good. You guys can see what I'm doing, right? And I have so many people who purchase the kits and make their own bouquets, and they come out, they send me pictures. So guys, if you purchase your kits or even your bouquets, please send me pictures of your wedding. I want to start building up my photo album on the website. I have quite a few pictures up already. Thank you for all of you brides, mothers, bridesmaids who sent me pictures. Thank you so much. I'll put another pearl right here. And guys, this is about it. So guess what? I'm going to show you what to do now. I'm going to show you how to make the matching boutonniere. So, okay, so that's the bouquet. And then what I did was I made a bow. I'm going to put a bow right here. What do you think? Should I just leave it, or does it look too kiddie-ish with a bow? You know what? I don't think I'm going to use the bow. I think that looks like it's for a flower girl with the bow. Maybe I'll just wrap it with rhinestones. Let's see. Yeah, I'll just, yes. That's more like it for a grown-up, right? So we're going to wrap it. Let's put some rhinestones right here to trim. A little bit of glue. Don't use too much glue, guys, when you're wrapping. This is too long. No, that's too short. So a little bit of glue. So weird, this angle. it down some. And I made it too short, so I'm going to have to fill that in. And then I think I'll put some down here as well, like that. Alright, so then I'll show you. So that's my other bouquet. So this is the collection. Alright, so now for the boutonniere, you just take the blue rose, right, and I have the pin that's going on the back. Just put the pin. I'm going to put my brooch on first, and then I'll put that pin on there. This brooch, I'm going to put it on here like this. I don't know, you think that brooch is too big? It's kind of big, right? I have another brooch. I think I'll use this one. Just take the pin off. And then we're just going to put it, oops, I'll put it here, I'll put it here, like that. So just put a little bit of glue on there like that, and then just glue it. So that's going to be the boutonniere, right? And then we'll just put our pin on the back of this, and you want to make sure that it's where it's supposed to be to position it. Just put some glue on the back. Oh, this is hard doing this in front of this camera. Let's put it on the back like that. And that's the boutonniere. Okay, so that's it, guys. Thank you so much for hanging out with me with this quick video tutorial, and until we meet again, you be blessed. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.